welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice, because we always have a choice. We don't always like the options, though. And today, I have got my base, and look at my rosy cheeks, and my shiny, shiny highlight. Ooh, let's blend that out, shall we? That's much better. Anyway, we are doing a look today with the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette. I got this through Boxy pop-up, and it is stunning, stunning. And I can't wait to see what I do with this. It is gorgeous. And we're gonna swatch it. It feels really good. And that is what that looks like. Beautiful. And there's so many different things that I can do with this palette, and I just can't wait to dive in head first. Anyway, I hope you are having a great December to remember. I'm having a lot of fun this December. I'm getting to meet a lot of my YouTube family and do a lot of fun stuff, do a lot of fun looks, and it's very exciting. And I have an announcement coming with Jeannie of Unfiltered 50s at the beginning of the new year, so I can't wait for that. I'm going to start with this pink shimmer in the crease. Why? Because I can. It's like a really sweet, shimmery bubblegum pink. Oh, it looks great. It's a great color for my skin tone, my very fair complexion. And it is just blending in wonderfully. Super pretty. And my hair is acting really nice today. I've just got it going on. We are getting ready for Rome's surgery, which by the time you see this, he will have already had the surgery. So we're very anxious and excited about that. I'm going to go under my brow bone with this beautiful gold color. It's got a pink shift to it. And it is looking lovely. So we're really glad that he's getting the surgery. He really needs it. And some good healing thoughts would be appreciated. Prayers, juju, whatever you believe in, please send it our way. We could totally use it. And I seem to be having some little breathing issues today, but I'm feeling pretty good. And I got these new lights, and it's making me feel very warm. The next color I'm going to get into is this Coppery Peach. Just put it right here in the crease and blend it into the lid. It's very pretty. This palette is gorgeous. And it was part of my big Boxy pop-up haul where I got like 9 palettes or something crazy. Or something like that. I try not to think about the actual numbers, because then I go, what did I do? But it's so hard with Boxy pop-up and add-ons not to go a little bit crazy. but it's all right. And I'm going to take that gold color again and put it on the inside of my lid. Blend that towards the middle. It just makes for just a beautiful look. We haven't even gotten to the actual cranberry color yet. But we're getting towards it. We love it. We love it so much. We're going to get a little fluffy brush. We're going to go into the cranberry color. Put it on the outside corner. I'm going in really soft with it to kind of build it up. These lights are making me hot. H-O-T, hot. But that's looking really good. I'm very happy with how this is working out. And it is just totally buildable. And I haven't even gone into it very heavily at all. Just need to keep blending it out a little bit more to match the other side. Oh, it's looking good. Superior. We are very happy with it. And then I think I'm going to take the darkest color, which is this plum, and deepen this up. And just blend it in. And you don't need to use all the colors like me. I like to use all the colors. I like to use many colors to make this look work. But I'm very happy with this. So now it's time for brows and liner. And my brows are going to be Fluff and Fill from, ooh, it's at the end. From NYX, and this is a pomade pencil. And it is dying. Let's see if I can get anything. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to retire that pencil and go in with a clean color brow in double action auto brow pen or pencil. And this is in, that was in chocolate. And this, I can't find the color name. But it looks like also a chocolatey color. And it is coming to the rescue. And this is working really nicely. And we have some brows. Now we're going to use some eyeliner. And we're going to use the, oh, we don't want brown. Why is everything so hard to find today? We're going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. which is a fantastic eyeliner. You may be able to hear the kittens making some noises. And then we're going to do some mascara with the Dark Star. Mascara from Mother Pat McGrath. People call her Mother. She's not my mother, but she is one hell of a makeup lady. And this mascara is nothing to sneeze at. I did get a little smudge, but it's easily taken care of with a cotton swab. I didn't know what to call it for a second. It's a cotton swab, Rhonda. Welcome to reality and cotton swabs. But this look is just gorgeous. Let's do a little lippy. And we are going to do a lip from Spoiled Lips in Bondage. Ooh, it's nice and dark. I've been really rocking dark lips lately. It's looking pretty. And it is a gorgeous color. And Spoiled Lips has great palettes and great lippies. And this is the final look with the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette. So thank you so much for being here today. I hope you had a great time. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks.